WBD stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Warner Bros stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Especially with WBD. Bro, I've been looking to take it further up. You know, main thing is because it shifted here, finally, shifted structure. And then it started to kind of come down a bit, and which is fair, and this is totally normal, because if we follow ranges, we came back from this demand zone. And I even like this setup because it's only on those corrections where I can take things up and buy. So in this particular instance, only if I see this happening and the price pulling down and giving me a shift, only then I would look to take it up. Other than that, this is all pure noise, and I'm not going to be looking to take things further up. Very simple. All I will be doing in the meantime, though, is waiting for rules to be met. And I also got about like one receipt here in the Discord as well, but like if my rules are not met and there's no sort of a confirmation, I'm not going to be buying, you know. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.